Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use an AstraZeneca inhaler. First, ensure your hands are clean. Remove the protective cap from the mouthpiece. Hold the inhaler upright, then twist the grip as far as it will go in one direction, and then back again to its original position. You should hear a click, indicating a dose is ready. Before inhaling, breathe out gently, away from the device to empty your lungs. Now, let's focus on the inhalation. Place the mouthpiece between your teeth, but do not bite it. Seal your lips tightly around the mouthpiece to create a good seal. Inhale deeply and forcefully through your mouth. This ensures the medication reaches your lungs. After inhaling, remove the inhaler from your mouth and hold your breath for about 10 seconds, or as long as you comfortably can. After holding your breath, exhale slowly. Remember to replace the protective cap on your inhaler to keep the mouthpiece clean. It is crucial to rinse your mouth thoroughly with water after each use, especially if your inhaler contains a corticosteroid. Swish the water around for several seconds and then spit it out. This simple step helps prevent potential side effects like oral thrush or throat irritation. For proper maintenance, always store your inhaler in a dry, cool place away from direct sunlight. Keep an eye on the dose counter. It typically shows the number of doses remaining, often starting at 60 or 120. When the counter reaches 0, it's time for a new inhaler. Never wash the mouthpiece with water. If you have any concerns or your symptoms worsen, always consult your healthcare provider.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.